I was born in Lagos, Nigeria, and at 15 months old, my life changed forever. And that's because polio struck me before I could even understand what it meant. Naturally, this impacted on me, my family, our way of life. But it wasn't going to stop us from seeking new opportunities, from finding a new perspective. When I was 3, my family moved to London. Everything was new. The people, the streets, the world around me. And that's also where I discovered my first love, sport. Sport became my freedom, especially basketball. Basketball gave me a sense of belonging and a way to prove that nothing could define my limits. After years of hard work, I finally made it. I represented Great Britain at the Sydney 2000 Paralympics and the Paralympics at Athens 2004, competing at the highest level. That was a dream made real. Winning medals was incredible, and I was lucky that it also gave me a platform. It allowed me to speak about issues close to my heart. It meant I was able to challenge views about inclusion and about disability. I found a new passion, telling stories and sharing the experiences of those who are often forgotten. Television allowed me to reach millions and to raise awareness, whether it was covering a global event or documenting untold stories. I knew that I could make a difference. From the courts to the screens, I realized that I could change the narrative, not just for myself, but for anyone who's ever been told, you can't. And now, another exciting chapter begins as I become Chancellor of Birmingham City University. Come on. To be in a position where I can influence the next generation is humbling and empowering. Education is such a powerful tool. It opens doors, builds bridges, and creates leaders. And I want every student to know that they have the potential to break barriers just like I did. My journey has taken me to places I never imagined. From the streets of Lagos to the courts of the Paralympics, from television screens to Symphony Hall. I can't wait to work with the brilliant people at BCU. They already have a great track record in changing people's lives. And when it comes to the future, I will be with them all the way.